In a world where human gave up on Mars, one organization decided to try something more ridiculous. This is MeowNASA.
All right, team, listen up. Mike, Gary, you two are going to be the first cats on the moon. No pressure, just history watching. Make us proud out there, okay?
Yes, sir. Meow, sir. I'm ready. The moon is gonna know my name. Do we get some moon snacks? Is there, like, space cheese?
Focus, Mike. We're representing an entire space program. We'll carry out the mission precisely and return safely.
After 9 failed attempts, thanks to someone hitting the microwave instead of the launch button, MeowNASA was finally ready to go.
Okay. I found the manual. It's upside down, but I got this. Guess that means push it twice?
Commander, they just turned on the cooling system, not the rocket.
Our first space mission, and somehow we're running on empty.
Looks like this fuel's only good for getting us to the roof.
All right, team, enough waiting around. Hit the backup power, every lever, every switch. Let's get this rocket actually moving. No mistakes, no excuses.
Hold up. No snacks? Are you serious?
You think this is picnic? I brought coffee.
And just like that, 2 regular Earth cats stepped onto the moon. History was made, and not a single tuna was involved.